So I'm back at Walmart. It's been a few weeks since I've been here. It looks like they've cleaned up the place and they've got a new shipment. So let's go through and see what we can find. This is why the plants die at Walmart. Prime example, number 1. Lots of ivy. What is this? I don't know who this is or what it is. Let's see. A calico. Interesting. Lots of different snake plants and Sansevierias. Succulents and cacti up there. Still lots of rose bushes and blooming types of plants. Succulents that should be on clearance clearly because they've been here forever. Look at this one. Now y'all know y'all wrong for that. I don't even know what's happening here. Look, I don't work here though. To all my plant moms and plant dads and plant parents out there, remember, you do not work here. It's not your job to do that. Well, these are small. Up here at the top we have, I think they're 1 quart golden pothos for $9, like $9.96. We do have the sago palm, which, if you know, that's one of my wish list plants right now. But I'm trying to get it in like a really good condition at a very, very good price. Some ZZ plants, some ferns. Okay, so I'm thinking I found the plant that I'm going to get today. It's some type of snake plant that is like super Sansevieria night owl. Yeah, never heard of this one before. If you don't know, I collect snake plants, so this is right up my alley. I believe they're $9 or $13.96. That's good because they're like stuffed to the brim. Whoever grew these grew them to the brim. You can see there's roots. Roots are coming to the top. There's lots of new growth. So I want one that's like in pretty good condition. I don't want to have to repot it anytime soon. Whoa, look at that like rosette right there. These things are huge. Yeah, you see, this might have to be repotted too soon. They're like stuffed in there. So I think I found a good one. Uh-oh, already breaking the tips. I seem to like this one. Lots of new growth in there though. There's webs in there, so of course there's probably some spiders, but yeah. Sansevieria night owl. Let's move you up to the front so y'all look nice and full. The sun, but yeah, Sansevieria night owl. Update on the Ficus Audrey that we're here. As you can see, they're slowly beginning to wither away. So yeah, go and check your local Walmart if you want to get in on the Ficus Audrey before they're all gone. Azalea. Ferns, aloe veras. ZZ plants. These are Alocasias, I believe. This one looks really good, in good condition. It was grown in North Carolina for $5. That's not bad. I really don't know how to take care of Alocasia. Should I try? Oh no. I'm a little intimidated by this plant. I feel like it needs water like more often than I can give it. Fill it every 7 to 10 days. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try. You know what? No, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna put you back. So as you can see, there's tons of different plants. They have this new easy watering wick system. 1 water window aqua stick, fill the reservoir every 7 to 10 days. Stick must reach the water. Yeah, they have those in different colors, different types of plants in there. I think this is gold baby ivy. I might get a gold baby ivy. I've been on the hunt for Algerian ivy, like super variegated. Okay, don't fall down. Yeah, I've been on the hunt for a variegated ivy, but I haven't been able to find any. As you can see, they have that like grow pot thing in there. It's always important to take that out. I've killed so many plants because I didn't know that those were in there, or that they were grown with nursery pots. I think this is like maybe some type of foam. I don't know. Oh, is this who I think it is? This one's $4.97. This one looks like Algerian ivy. I think this one's it, y'all. That's golden. Yeah, I think this one's Algerian. Well, if it was Algerian, it's gone now because I dropped the shit out of it. Okay. But for $4, that's a good price. Anthuriums, cacti, and succulents. Some Birkins, ferns. And from here, we're gonna take like a quick walkthrough. More anthuriums, more succulent arrangements, the lucky bamboo arrangements, which I'd like to get into, but they're at such bad shape when they're out here. Golden pothos. I don't think they have any more global greens or Baltic blues. From here, we're gonna take like a quick walkthrough. More anthurium, all of the little common house plants. Thinking about getting a butterfly plant, a syngonium. Comment below. Do you have one of those? How do you like taking care of it? How long have you kept it alive? Butterfly syngonium. If you don't know what I'm talking about these plants. They come in lots of different colors, but like, how long have you been able to keep those alive? What is this? Variegated teardrop peperomia. These are so beautiful. Beautiful. Do you see the variegation? This silver bells ivy. I bet you that's like another name for Algerian ivy. How much is this? $6.98. Oh, H no. That's too much. I'd rather get a $3 planter of that because I'm not sure I'll be able to keep it alive. More common house plants. Here's today's plant haul. I have the Sansevieria night owl. I'm buying 2 of the black circle plant hangers because I have tons of trailing plants that need to go up on the ceiling. And then I'm gonna try this new Mainstays 3-tier metal planter.